what's good? Welcome to the Mustache Beard. Man, okay guys, so before we start, I just want to say I'm fucking tired. I'm exhausted. Me and my friend, me and Arnold went to fucking hiking, and I think for some reason we got lost at some point. I'm exhausted. But I'm here today, early in the morning. It's fucking 11, but it's still early. Yeah, today I'm here to bring you another cooking video. Today we're going to be making some breakfast sandwiches. Here in this channel, I like to show you guys some cheap some cheap foods for you to make. Because in the next couple videos, after these couple next videos that I'm about to upload, I'm going to start making some, lunch, some ribs and all that type of shit. So for now, let's start off with the cheap, for the faster cooking, and then later on, it will take a little bit longer more to cook, but you already have kind of the experience for it, so it should be all good. So yeah, guys, the fucking stove is ready. I'm ready. I hope you're ready. Let's get right into the shit. Let's get ready. Alright guys, so like always, I am going to introduce the ingredients. The ingredients that you are going to be using for today, again, is some ham. You can use any type of ham. So I'm using 2 different types of ham, okay? Your next ingredient will be some bacon. It looks disgusting, but that's how the packaging looks, guys, bacon. Our next items, as you saw them, I can't fucking throw these because these will fucking break. Some eggs. Always recommend eggs because the eggs have the protein inside the eggs, pasture raised, see, pretty good shit, I fucking care about the animals. Alright guys, so now that we have the bacon and the eggs and the ham, the next ingredient you are gonna need is some cheese. You're gonna need some cheese because you gotta add it once everything is done. Next ingredient you are gonna need is crema salvadoreña. You know it. I always use this shit. This shit is the greatest. The next and the last ingredient of all the list and the ingredients today, some bread. That's all you need because remember, you are making some breakfast sandwiches. So there you go, guys. This is all the ingredients we are gonna need today. The egg, the bacon, the shit. Alright guys, so we're gonna use some bacon, right? So I'm just gonna cut up some pieces of strips, right? Let's see, we're gonna get 2 right now. I'm gonna fast forward all of this whole process with the bacon, just so I can speed this up. Okay, ready? This shit won't break. So mix it together. Easier. Alright, so I'm in the last bacon, right? I'm only using 3 for this one because I don't want to make a lot. But remember, so you can make it with any type of meat you want. You could put any type of vegetable you want. But in my case, I don't eat vegetables, so I say fuck vegetables, and I go straight to the meat to get the protein, right? That's what it is. Alright, so now that you have the bacon, now you're gonna need the hams. The hams you decided to use because the hams. Now the only reason why I'm using 2 kind is because on this packet, I only have one left. So I'm gonna cut this one that is all the last slice of ham in the packet. Again, I'm gonna fast forward it. Boom, now that you have that one, you throw it in with the bacon and you get another, you get it from the other one. I'm using this type, okay? And I'm only using one because this one is bigger size. So I think I'm not gonna need a lot. So again, I'm gonna fast forward for you guys.
God damn it!
Well, now that that's done, then all you have to do is mix all the ham and all the bacon together, okay? Mix it all together. It looks like shit, but once it's cooked, goddamn, dude, trust me, it's gonna be good as fuck. Alright, cool. Now that you have all the meats mixed, wash your hands. Always remember to wash your hands, guys. That's very important. Okay. So now that you have the meats, all mixed together, we just have to throw it to the grill. No, actually no, don't throw it at the grill right now. Do not throw this at the grill right now. Why? Because the infamous eggs that we are gonna be doing is the week of the bisque. Remember, guys? I know that became a stupid ass saying that I've said before, but you gotta whisk. You gotta whisk the bisque. So I think I'm gonna be using 3 eggs for today. All right, 3 eggs should be fine. It should be fine. Get yourself a knife. You could rinse the one you had, or you could rinse the one you had, or you could just use another one. It don't matter. But you just, oh shit, too much biscuit. See how we do it, watch. That's whisking the biscuit, and the bisque. Boom, now that you have your egg ready, you throw that to the shit, and now you're done. Now then, so you gotta see, I'm gonna skip this process. I'm gonna turn on the oven now. Actually, fuck it, let's just turn it on now. See how I told you I like it at the 8? That's all because it's all up to you. Alright, this is perfect. Now that we have this, right, now it's all fucking hot, all you have to do is get the meats that you got. So you get the meats that you got and just pop them in there. Just pop them in there. Everything. Boom. That's all you need, guys. Now that we have this, right, we just keep mixing it so it won't stick. I forgot to add the pan. The most important thing in the world when it comes to my cooking, I forgot the pan. Now we just gotta have to struggle through it, guys. Don't forget your pan. If you're at this point, do not forget your pan. Actually, you can still add your pan. This is the power of pan, watch. You put the shit already in here, it no matter, because you can still add it. This is how it works. Watch. Oh, God damn it. Alright. So now that you put the pan, right, you just move it around and it should unstick, everything should unstick. Ah, my finger! So yeah, guys, you just keep mixing this up. Until they're all cooked. And then we should keep moving. What the fuck? These shits are popping now. That's because of the pan. So if it pops, don't worry. So it's still kind of raw. So I'm gonna fast forward this, guys, a couple minutes until the egg part. So, but yeah, keep stirring. Stir it, leave it for 2 minutes, then stir it again. Leave it, no, not 2 minutes. Leave it for 1 minute, and then that would be it. Cause that's bacon and that's ham. You can't have uncooked bacon. Uncooked bacon is bad for you. Bacon in general is bad for you, but if you don't eat it a lot, that's the conspiracy about it, guys, about eating healthy and not. It's like you can enjoy it once a month or something, but every day is just a no-no. Alright, so now that we have the fucking bacon and the ham all fucking toasty and shit, all we're gonna have to do next is add the eggs. If you guess the eggs, you got the right answer right. So we have the eggs, right? Ah! Fuck it, just throw the eggs. Just throw the eggs in there because they're fucking attacking me already. Alright, guys. So now that while we have that, I'm gonna switch it to the next camera. So here you will put your toasted breads, because that is about to be done. Okay? So I'm gonna use your toaster, 2 breads, fucking in, and then let that shit fucking toast. In the meantime, let's go back to the other shit. We're back over here. Now this one has been cooking for a while now. So all you have to do is mix it around and you shake it all about. Try to do the hokey pokey, whatever the gay shit is that all about. So if we get, again, we have bacon, we have egg, we have ham, and then we're about to have the cheese. So I'm waiting on a toasted bread to toast, because this shit is already done. It's easy, guys. You close it right about. You do the hokey pokey, and I just burned myself again. But yeah. Alright, guys, so now that we have this, right? Now that we have the toasted bread, now we just pop out the toasted bread. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do is you get yourself a spoon. Get yourself a spoon. And then remember about the crema salvadoreña, you get the crema, and then you start putting it on each shit, right? Spread it, make sure you have crema on every single premises of the shit, because if you don't have fucking crema on every single premises of the shit, it's not gonna taste as good, because you need to get the crema in every single bite that you have. You know what I mean? So now that you have this shit, right, guys, all you have to do is get your eggs and all that shit that you cooked. You just put it inside the sandwich. Boom. Oh shit. Obviously you fix it for it can fit in every single premises of the shit. Now that we have this one, we just close it and you're good. I'm gonna put another 2. I'm gonna redo it one last time so you guys can see everything, and then I'm gonna show you a trick to furthermore toast your shits. So we get the bread, right? And then we just toast it. Make sure you got your cheese ready for your next sandwich. And you know what? I'm gonna cut this in half just so you guys know how it looks like from the inside. But again, you can make this. Damn, that shit is fucking delicious. It's not a lot, My God, this shit is really good. I was never expecting it is good. Again, get your crema. Spread it in every single premises of the bread. Then you add the cheese. Easy peasy, right? You got your eggs, bacon, whatever the fuck you cooked on your own. Put all that shit in there. Make sure you break it because it's a lot of shit. It's a lot of things mixed together. So, got a little bit here. Got a little bit here. Now I was thinking about earlier before I made before I made it like this. I was thinking about adding sausage to it, but I thought it was gonna be way too much. But it came out pretty good. All right, next bread. Every premises. Every premises. There you go. You close it. Now that this is done, let me switch the camera angle again, and I'm gonna show you a trick, okay? What you're doing there. So what you're doing here is that the part with the cheese that is at the bottom part, and then because you did not toast this too much with the toaster, you're gonna have the same. You're gonna melt the cheese that way, and I'm gonna try to do it with these two small ones too. But that's the last of the trick. That's the whole trick, guys. Alright guys, so now that we have this, I think the shit is already burning. So I'm gonna take them out. Turn off the stove so the fucking stove don't burn. And now you won't have an issue with the fucking things inside falling. Free falling. You know that type of shit. I'm gonna cut this shit one more time. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna split it, right? Once I open it, let me take off this. There you go, guys. Bacon, egg, cheese, ham. Le sandwich de Samuel. Hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, well we made our fucking sandwiches now. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed the video, although it was stressful. But I did show you that one little trick at the end to toast your bread more so it could get the cheese can melt more. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep practicing your cooking. At some point I want to see you guys, taking a picture of yourselves cooking so that can show me, because I want us to grow together as a community. So with that being said, keep practicing till the next video.